Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain Honor 20 Lite Hard Reset Pattern Unlock. Power off the mobile device by pressing the power key for a few seconds. Hold down the volume up and power buttons simultaneously for a couple of seconds. Release all keys when the recovery mode screen appears. Navigate through the options using the volume keys and select Clear Data using the power button. Choose the factory reset option from the menu. Confirm the reset by entering the word yes and selecting the factory reset option. Wait for the reset process to complete. Then return to the main menu. Select the restart option from the menu. Note that all data will be erased during this process. Once the reset is finished, your phone will be restored to its original factory settings. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the device setup. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.